Greetings, seawolves. My name is Asabi, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here is what's happening from December 21st to January 10th. On Monday, December 22nd, there will be a grade 12 trip to see Wicked 2 at Regal Cinemas. There will be high school drama club rehearsals from 3:35 to 4:40. Then Black History Month rehearsals will be in the dining room from 3:35 to 4:35. Multicultural Club will have a meeting in the club room from 3:35 to 4:35. Step practice will be held at the Mosaic at 3:35 to 4:35. Student government meeting will be held in room 106 from 3:35 to 4:35. This Tuesday, December 23rd, high school drama club rehearsals will be held from 3:35 to 4:40 in the theater. From Wednesday, December 24th to January 2nd, students and staff will not be in attendance for winter break. Enjoy the time off and enjoy the holidays if you celebrate. Following after a long break on January 6th, there will be a Parent Association Executive Board meeting from 6 to 7. On Wednesday, January 7th, there will be a band rehearsal from 2:50 to 4:40 for those involved. Thursday, January 8th, there will be an SLT meeting in person from 4:30 to 6, and from 7 to 8, there will be a Disney meeting over Zoom for our 12th grade families. On Friday, January 9th, there will be a high school dance residency practice for those involved in theater from 12:15 to 1:15. Finally, on Saturday, January 10th, there will be a coach's CPR and AED class from 9 a.m. to 3. And that's it for the event preview for this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Asabi, and I'll see you next time.